So this video wasn't supposed to happen. I wasn't supposed to buy this bag, let alone two bags. So let me explain what happened. Hi everyone, so today I'm unboxing a new handbag and I'm gonna tell you the whole story, how I ended up getting this bag. So first I'm gonna take you through the unboxing part and what bag I got, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna explain how it happened.
So I'm opening the first bag, which is the black one. It's a black Lita Medium from Michael Kors, and this is the bag that I really wanted to keep because it's easier to carry, and you don't, like black is always easier to maintain. So I'm noticing that the clasp was open. Even when I got first opened this one, I noticed that the clasp would always keep on opening up, and I thought maybe it's because of the packaging. So now, while I was unboxing it, I noticed that there is a spot at the front. It looks like a scuff mark. I can't really tell, but I think it's some kind of a small scuff mark. And if it would have been at the back or somewhere, it would have been okay. But I don't want it to be right at the front of the bag. So I decided to put it aside and not to open it further. So now I'm opening the second one, and the color of this bag is powder blush, which is very light pink, and it's beautiful. Like when I first opened this, like took a peek inside it, I was like, I just loved it. It was such a pretty shade of pink. Anyway, I think I just have one complaint, that why did Michael Kors didn't send it in the actual box? Like it would have made my experience so much exciting and amazing if this would have came out in the official box. And I do have this complaint that Michael Kors, why did you have to do me dirty like that? You know, it just came in an white envelope, the bubble envelope. It is, I would say that it's like covered and packaged very nicely. But did you see the black one? The clasp was a little damaged. It kept on opening up, and then there was a mark on it. If this purse or handbag was in a proper box, I'm pretty sure the damage wouldn't have happened. So although I wanted to keep the black one, I think I'm gonna return it and keep the pink one instead, because it's just as beautiful. And I never had a pink bag, so it's gonna be something different. So here I am showing you both of the colors just so that you can have an idea, and let's move on to the story.
So this video wasn't supposed to happen. I wasn't supposed to buy this bag, let alone two bags. So let me explain what happened. Earlier this year, I fell in love with a designer bag. Now let me tell you a little bit about myself. I am not into designer bags. I'm someone who just goes after pretty things but good quality. I never buy full price. I always look for coupons and sale. So I have a very particular type. I like leather, good quality leather in my handbag. And if it's pretty, I'm okay. I'm good to go. But this time, came across this bag, and it's actually Givenchy GV3 medium size bag, and I'm gonna post a picture over here. I found this bag to be beautiful. Blown away, fell in love. I think this bag is about 3,000 Canadian dollars, and I can never justify buying this kind of bag because I lead a very simple life. I'm a mother of two kids. I'm mostly working from home, so I don't see any reason. Even if I buy this bag, where will I take it? You know, I don't have a social life such as where I could carry this nice bag. So there are so many reasons where cost, number one, I could justify spending this much amount of money on a bag. I'd rather go vacationing and spend that amount on that. But that's my personal choice. I'm not saying that I'm not tempted. I am very, very tempted to get this bag, but for now I don't want to because I found this one. So a few weeks ago, I think it was a few days past Boxing Day, I was going through some websites and this bag popped up, and this turned out to be from Michael Kors. And I would say that this bag looked 90% like the Givenchy GV3 medium bag that I was so much in love with. The retail price of this bag is $528 Canadian dollars plus taxes, but it was available for $180 on sale. So I hit the button, I purchased it, and few days later I found out that the black one is available. So now my real confusion began, because actually I really wanted to get the black one, which looked exactly like my dream bag. So I called Michael Kors, I asked them, they said the bag has already been shipped. What I can do is like order another one, and now once the pink one arrives, I can just simply go and return it. So long story short, I got the pink one and now I have the black one. And when I took a peek inside it, they both looked absolutely gorgeous. And now my real confusion began, because I did not know which one to keep and which one to return. But then it got quickly resolved, because once I started unboxing, I found out that there was some issue with the black one. And as of now, I have returned it and I'm keeping the pink one. So let me show you how this bag looks. It has a beautiful gold chain and a very cute charm attached to it, which has the MK monogram on it. You can carry this bag as is, or it also comes with a strap if you want to use it as a crossbody bag. Now this golden clasp is beautiful. Just open it like this and you can open up the bag. Now the main reason I loved this bag is because the functionality. Like, you can see how much space this tiny bag has. It has not one, two generous size pockets. It also has a mini pocket here. You can see the monogram inside. It has a tiny front pocket. I'm not planning on using this pocket, but sometimes this kind of pocket comes in handy if you just want to put some small thing like a mask or something at the front. At the back, you can see it has another pocket where you can put something. I don't know, it's not too big, but like it's good to have. So here it is. It's absolutely gorgeous. So this is a leather bag, and the leather seems to be a very nice quality. Michael Kors is famous for their leather quality. So the length of the strap is pretty good. For reference, my height is 5'6". And this, when I wore this bag as a crossbody bag, it was hitting just below my waist, which is a pretty good spot. And I am a person who doesn't carry my bags like this. I always carry as a crossbody bags, and crossbody bags are usually my preferable choice for any bag. You can say that I'm still in love with the Givenchy GV3 bag, but I'm really happy that Michael Kors came out with an inspired version of this bag, because I was not gonna get that one, but I was able to get the same design that I was actually in love with in this bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed my story of having a mad crush on the Givenchy bag, but then ended up finding someone or something that's more my type, and I think that I'm gonna have a very nice happily ever after with this one. So if you guys like this video, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys with a new one. Bye bye.